In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to dock on a MacBook Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can add multiple different applications to your MacBook Pro dock. This will also work with any other MacBook model, so the MacBook Air and so on. Regardless of the year of your MacBook, you will be able to follow these steps. So first, open the application that you want to add to the dock. So run it once. And then all that you have to do is right click it. So have your cursor over the icon for the application and then right click it. Once you right click the application, you will see a bunch of options. So hover over the options themselves and then go to keep in dock. This will either give it a little check mark or change it to remove from dock. So as soon as you see the check mark or you see this change to remove from dock, it means that this icon is now affixed in the dock and it is always going to be available. So even after you close it down, the icon will be available like this, so you can quickly click on the icon to open it back up again. And of course, the same thing can be done in reverse. So in this example, this app is already added onto the dock. If you right click it, go over to options, you will either see the check mark that I mentioned earlier, or you will see remove from dock. By choosing the option, it is going to be gone. So after you close the application, it will not remain on the dock. You can repeat this as many times as you wish with any application that you have. And if you need to, you can go over to the dock and menu bar settings. So if you go over to the system preferences, you can actually change the appearance on the dock. So you can make the icon bigger, smaller. You can change how many are going to be appearing, the position, and a lot more. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.